Hello my Dorklings, what's going on? It's your boy Nintendork here. So today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Bauer lavalier microphone for smartphones. I'm also assuming that it will work with DSLR cameras, but I'm letting someone borrow mine right now, so we can't test that, but we'll definitely test out on the smartphone. A little disclaimer first, this was not sent to me, this is not sponsored in any way. I happened to pick this up. It was $8 at Walmart. And yeah, so not sponsored. They didn't send this to me. They didn't reach out to me. I bought this with my own money. So yeah, let's roll the intro and we will get unboxing. Okay, so we have the Bauer lavalier microphone for smartphones. I'm assuming this will also work with DSLRs, though I can't test it in this particular unboxing. For those of you who don't know, a lavalier microphone is this. It's a little bitty microphone that you can clip to your shirt, your jacket. I've seen people clip them to their glasses if they wear glasses. Just like the shotgun microphone, this is great for vlogging, live videos, video chats, social media, and live streaming. It features a strong lapel clip, a protective foam windscreen, and it has a 3.5mm auxiliary cable, or the port that plugs into your camera or phone. And it is also great for vlogging and social media, as it says here. Moving over to the back here, here are the features. Talks about being a creator. Specifications, this doesn't mean a whole lot to me. I didn't take audio classes or anything in school. Here's everything that I just said. So it's got your travel bag, the microphone, the windscreen, and the lapel clip. That's about it for the box, so let's get to unboxing. Okay, so looks like everything comes in this pouch by default. Here's the quick start guide, like the shotgun mic beforehand. So really quickly looking over this, the features, it's omnidirectional, high quality, low handling noise, which is good. I'm going to test that out as well. Easy to use, and it includes a lapel clip and a foam windscreen and a pouch, which is all of this stuff right here. So it's already got the foam windscreen on it, which is good. It's got an extra one because I have lost these in the past with other microphones, as well as if like maybe a pet gets a hold of this or your child or something. This can come in handy, so I'm glad this came with an extra one, and I think that is it. Oh, and real quickly, I would also like to point out that the cable length is 47 inches, or approximately 1.2 meters. So the clip here is metal. It's a pretty strong spring, so I don't think you have to worry really about it coming off. And basically, guys, there's not much else to it, so I think we are going to plug it in, see how it sounds, and let's go. Okay, so I'm using the microphone built into my Galaxy S10. So yeah, this is really easy to set up. Literally, you clip this to like your jacket or your shirt or your glasses, which I'm going to try 2 of those 3, and then you just plug this into your phone. So I'm going to see if this is going to work like while I'm recording, if I can just plug this in and it'll tell me something, or I don't know. So hang on. Recording audio through headset. So it should be working with the lapel mic or the lavalier mic, which either. I think you can use those terms interchangeably. So I'm holding it literally like, I don't know what, like 7 inches from my mouth, and we are talking, and this is what it sounds like, normal levels. I'm not yelling or whispering or anything, but yeah, this is me talking into the mic. I'm gonna actually point it upwards because it's omnidirectional. Omnidirectional, like I said, is multi-directional basically, so hopefully you should be able to hear me around the same, if not better maybe. And yeah, so I'm going to attach this to my shirt. We're gonna see what the handling noise is, because normally you can hear it like rubbing basically on the microphone when you're trying to clip it to something if it's already recording. So yeah, let's do that. Let's hook it to my collar. Trying to figure out how the best way to do this is. Okay, so it's backwards, and now that I think about it, hopefully you guys can hear me okay for one, but now that I think about it, it looks like you can actually take the clip off and rotate it so you can go on this side instead of it being backwards like it is. Yeah, so you can actually just take the clip off like this. So that way, theoretically, you can have just this like dangling down, like, I don't know, I guess if you want to have it hanging from the ceiling somehow. Yeah, you can do that without the clip. Okay, so again, we are mic'd up. It doesn't really matter how far away I sit from the camera because I've got the mic right here. Hopefully you're hearing me more than all the background noise going on, like my computer and outside and whatever. This is basically what it sounds like. Hopefully there's no noise. Hopefully it's actually picking me up. I really don't know. So I personally do not wear glasses yet, but I do have these like nerdy glasses that you get around Halloween time, and I think we'll put those on and see how the microphone sounds from there. Okay, so the glasses are all mic'd up, facing outwards, but again, omnidirectional. So hopefully it should be able to pick up my voice a little bit clearer, as well as the background noise that's going on. So yeah, omnidirectional. This I think would also be good for interviews, because again, This the capsule's at the top here, facing you guys. So this is how the microphone sounds hooked up to the glasses, just looking around, whatever, mobility, blah, blah. I think we're actually going to go outside with the glasses on, and then we'll also change it back to the shirt and see how that sounds. So we'll see in just a sec. Okay, so once again, we are outside. Cars going by, wind is going. So this is another good example of like real world stuff. So just walking around outside, and I'm actually going to hook it up to my shirt now. And I should mention, again, the cord length is 47 inches long, I believe, 1.2 meters. And so you could actually have this hooked up to a selfie stick or even just regular tripod and vlogging this way or talking or whatever you're doing. So yeah, let's switch over to the shirt. Okay, so here it is, just below the collar on my shirt. And we are outside. I hear a car coming. Again, cars in the background while I'm talking. We're going to do a little wind test. Well, there's a little bit of a breeze right there, but not strong enough, I think, to really affect this. I am curious walking around, though, and see if it's going to rub up on my shirt, because you often hear that with lav mics, or if someone forgets it's there, and they kind of do this little thing, or something like that. Hopefully that didn't blow your guys' eardrums out. But yeah, this is the lavalier mic hooked up to the shirt. We are walking by the AC unit at my house, and hopefully that'll give us a good test for background noise while I'm talking, just in the backyard, messing around, recording a YouTube video with you guys. I'm not actually currently able to test how the wind resistance works, so I think I'm just gonna kind of wave the microphone around instead of spinning in a circle and making all of us dizzy and sick. So let's do this. I don't know, how'd that sound? Probably unpleasant. Just like the last microphone, the shotgun mic, I'm really curious to see how the audio turned out. I was actually pleased with the shotgun microphone, how the audio came out. There was only like once that it popped that I could tell, the last one that is. So I don't know, how did this one do? You guys let me know in the comments down below. I'm actually really excited to see how it turned out myself. Hopefully it turns out better. I will actually get some use out of this thing, other than just testing and unboxing. So hopefully this will be in some videos eventually down the line. Also, this is me holding the microphone, obviously, and my fingers pointed towards my face instead of on my shirt or on my glasses. And yeah, turn it up like this because, again, omnidirectional, should be able to hear, I'm assuming 360 degrees around as well as straight up. So that'll be interesting to hear. And I'm gonna put you guys back on my shirt. All right, my Dorklings, I think that's gonna wrap it up for today's unboxing and review. If you could, please make sure you smash, like, subscribe, do all that fancy stuff down below. And while you're there, make sure you ring that bell so you get notified whenever I upload unboxings and reviews and all my other fancy videos. Also, while you're down there in the description box, you can click, there will be a link. It's not affiliated or anything. It's literally just a link to Walmart's website to where you can pick up this exact same thing. It's currently $8 as of this recording. So with all of that being said, thank you guys for stopping by, and you stay retro, my Dorklings. Bye.